All right, Steve's so happy enjoying his 72, driving it around, cruising it around. He's dropped off his 74. It's got some valve cover leaks that were supposedly recently repaired. So we're going to check it out and dig in. Here we go. So first thing I notice on Steve's 74, look at the gasket squished out. Here, there. It's just smushed out. You can see it down there. Like total lack of care and just cranked it all the way down. There's loose hardware too. So, gee, I wonder why it was leaking. I found some silicone on that head bolt. This is gonna be suspicious. So let's see what we got. So I just pulled the valve cover, and Steve told me that they've been leaking. Well, yeah, when there's no gasket right there where it's supposed to be, it's obvious it's going to be leaking. These are crispy, so they've obviously been in this position quite a while. So I get to take this apart, clean up somebody else's half-assed job, and make it right. Which, primarily, oh God, silicone on rockers. This reminds me of Miss Betty White. Silicone on rockers. Good God, do your fucking job right. So, underside of passenger side valve cover, obviously try to silicone the gaskets on instead of doing the job right. Explains why this all right here, which would be the bottom, is clean, because it was all squished out. Same thing here, no gasket. Look at, really? Ugh, God. Don't worry, we're gonna make this right for Steve. All right, driver's side. Still squished out, but not as squished out. Of course, some piss poor silicone work as well. But driver's side has been done a little nicer than passenger side. Okay, so while our bolts are out, usually I can pop a valve cover with just a flat head real easy. But these guys is glued in. Look at that thing flexing. Just insane the amount of silicone someone would stick. Just unprofessional. Got it. Let's see what we got, boys and girls. Glue fest. Valve cover's out of the way. Good Lord, people. This is not how you do this. Unacceptable. More silicone on rocker arms. Way too much silicone. Tomorrow she will be perfecto again. Don't mind me just sitting here cleaning somebody's silicone mess up. Ugh. How do these people have jobs? I don't get it. I can't be that much smarter than everybody else, but I guess I am. So while I got the Lincoln just running, doing its thing, I'm over here cleaning up someone's silicone CF. So I'm gonna get all this BS off of here, assemble this right, and then we're gonna change the oil, put all the goodies in, the VR1 with the Lucas zinc additive, because this car does not have a cat. So anything without a converter gets all that to protect flat tappet lifters. And that's what we do. All right, moving on. All right, now that I've spent a good part of my life cleaning someone's stupid silicone mess off, I will be assembling these correctly without a ton of silicone, or any silicone at all for that matter. Passenger side cover on, no silicone. Tightened down gingerly and done correctly, which apparently nobody else in this town knows how to do, because I keep finding other people's stupid shit. Anyway, on to the driver's side. All right, driver's side valve cover ready to go on. It was missing a few bolts, guys. Like, seriously? That explains the silicone. Anyway, I bought some bolts, some washers. We're gonna make it work. Gonna get it done. It's not gonna leak. All right, both valve covers on. Tightened up correctly. No gaskets squished out. Unlike previously where there was the entire damn gasket squished out. Gonna change the oil. Fire this baby up and swap them out. Oil change, nothing leaking. Looking good. We're gonna swap them out. The 72's coming back in.